is being untagged for free at freebeats.io. Freebeats.io.
Yes, indeed, I'm giving myself a purple eye with the lightest shade here, following the socket. This does not have much pigment, but it is kind of light purple. And then I take the darker purple, and this does have some pigment. And I just follow underneath that, blending around the socket, right over the eye bags that we just concealed, and a circle. Same color scheme, but just deeper. This is Rain from Profusion Spectrum palette, and I'm just gonna do the same thing here in a tighter circle, really blow that out. But as you can see, much more pigment. And then if you want to like really blend, just kind of tap and swivel. I'm going to take this cream shadow that's like actually a lipstick, but whatever. And it's really sparkly. I'm just going to, with the same brush, blend out this color on the lid. Keeping it a circle, and then taking some more on the brush and running it on the lower lash line. Really like reflective. I'm going to put on some shimmery brown. It's my favorite shimmery brown, as you can see. Just pack it really on the ball of the eye. Oh my gosh. You can give it a light blend. Going with this fluffier middle-sized brush, and I'm gonna go in with the only brown, which is right here, and it's called Ember, and tap my brush off. Take that over everything. Now, obviously this is like a lot for someone who doesn't know about avant-garde makeup, so I'm just gonna take this white, which is very pigmented, and put it on the brow bone. My Wet n Wild pressed glitter in Spiked. Run a little bit of this through. Maybe I'll do just a little bit in the inner corner, kind of down even, why not? I'm gonna do this purple, well, it's a color corrector, but I'm gonna put it on my waterline. Okay, it's on my eyes, you can see it now, and I'm just taking this white pencil and trying to warm it up a little bit, and I really just want to run it on the upper lash line, almost like a liner. Okay, so I'm still deciding what lip color I want, but I have this purple, which is really pretty, and I haven't used it much. It's from Revolution. It's a Salvation Velvet Lacquer in Depravity. Focus. I'm just taking some on my brush, and I think I'm just gonna go. It's good that I put that white down because this will make it help it stick better. Hopefully it actually dries down. Just like that. Maybe I'll do a few twiggy lashes. Like that. Here's the eyeliner. I have two purples. I have this dead NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is like more of a pink, but it's got that undertone. I might outline with this, but for the most part do this. So this is in the shade Embellishment, a Lip Lingerie. That's good. This, which is ColorStay Satin Ink in the shade Your Majesty, it's really good. Overlining, obviously. Do a little bit more dead in the middle. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of this Becca Orbit 2 highlighter. Take the tiniest bit on my finger, draw highlights. There we go. Fine, very fine. This is my Lip Lover by CoverGirl. I think we need a little bit more contour right here. stick it under my boob or sit on it. And one more spray.